Welcome to the Feel the Trucks on Samp Series 72. I just uploaded 71, so we're staying on top of things. So let's just get right into the Feel the Trucks. Gravedigger 25th. Oh, and I had my Instagram followers choose the trucks out of the bin, so that's the beauty of following me on Instagram. Blue Avenger. Clydesdale. Pastrana 199. Black El Toro Loco. Bigfoot. Purple Gravedigger. I'm not sure why, but that seems to be a fan favorite over on my Instagram. Everyone always chooses it. The Spin Master Bad News Charles Fast. Alien Invasion. American Dream. Gold Dragonoid. Chrome Captain's Curse, which was the runner-up for Series 71. The Truck Avenger. Bulldozer. Radical Rescue. Maximum Destruction. Shark Shock. Pillage Idiot. Earthshaker. Wildflower. Big Kahuna. Ice Monster. It's been a while since the Ice Monster's been in, so big return of the Ice Monster. Actually, I'm not even sure if that's been one of my Samp-Series. I guarantee you it has, but it's been a while. Crazy Train. Oh, jeez. I almost dropped Crazy Train. Ice Cream Man. Fire Max D. Green Ghost Gravedigger. Anger Management. Grain Digger. The Gravediggers are also popular picks on my Instagram. A lot of people wanted to choose them. Carolina Crusher. Captain America. The Chrome 2006 Gravedigger. And last but not least, Blue Thunder. That's the Feel the Trucks for Series 71. So I'll see you guys then. Or if I get the package that I was supposed to get today, when that comes in, I'll probably make a video about it. And there'll be a surprise entrance. So yeah, bye.